Hello everybody. This is going to be my new build. What I have, I just got this yesterday, and this is my Antic 300 Illusion case. It's a mid-tower. You can take a look. It's about 16 pounds. But alright, let me take this out. And just a side note, I also had this. I bought this used. This is a Western Digital Caviar. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a 750 gigabyte Western Digital Caviar SE16. The model number is WD7500AAKS, and I'm gonna take this case out of the box and show you guys. I'll be right back. And I'm back, and this is the case. I bought this from Newegg for about 70 bucks. I bought it basically because it has 4 fans inside of it, and it's big enough to hold everything that I want, and it has a nice sleek design. And I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. Now, to open it up, you'll see a screw here, screw here, screw here, and a screw here. You can unscrew them by hand. They very easily come off. Now, I got all the screws off, and you will see back here that they have little handles where you can pull the panels off. Panel comes off pretty easily. You want me to do the same? Oh, panel came off. Like I said, pretty easily. Now, you can see it has a fan right there. It's also got a fan there. And if you look inside, it's got 2 fans up here. Now, if you look at every fan, it has a switch for low, medium, and high. Every switch has it. I'm sorry, every fan has it in this. And this case has plenty of room for optical drives, hard drives. It looks like you can put about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 or 6 hard drives in there. It doesn't have a power supply. I'm getting my power supply later today, so I'll have a video for that. Let's see, on the front, it has USB slots, a spot for a microphone, a spot for headphones, power, reset, and that looks about it for the front, which is basically all I needed, so that's why I want. It's basically why I got it. The back, you're not going to see anything quite right because it doesn't have a motherboard in it yet. But once I get the motherboard, you will see what goes in the back and how everything plugs in. I'll be showing a video on how to do that. So I'm sure I'll be putting a link in here somewhere. So just take a look at the link and I'll show you my other videos and how to install the motherboard, etc., etc.